Here at Gtech, our award-winning best just got better. Alright Nick, the AirRAM Platinum. Enhanced with our innovative Forward Inertia Drive, the AirRAM Platinum effortlessly cleans from carpet to hard floors. Gtech's airlock and new anti-hair-up technology powerfully tackle large debris and fine dust with ease, while stopping hair buildup and keeping the brush bar clear. Proudly finesse your home's floors and groom your carpets to perfection, now with an impressive runtime of up to 1 hour. Super efficient, super clean. Order your Gtech AirRAM Platinum today with free next day delivery. After all, you can't have too much of a good thing.